7 foods to boost your kidney health. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super important but often ignored: kidney health. Think of your kidneys like a filter that cleans your blood and removes waste. But what if that filter gets clogged and stops working well? That's why we're going to talk about 7 amazing foods that can help keep your kidneys healthy. So let's learn how potassium and other important nutrients can boost your kidney health. Let's talk about how veggies can help your kidneys. Some veggies are really good for your kidneys. Asparagus helps you pee more. Celery can lower your blood pressure. Bell peppers have lots of vitamin C. Cabbage and cauliflower are good for you. They have a lot of fiber. Garlic helps reduce swelling. Spinach has lots of iron. Eat spinach with cheese to make it even more healthier. Now, let's talk about another important mineral for your kidneys: magnesium. Magnesium helps keep your blood pressure and blood sugar levels normal, which is good for your kidneys. It also helps your body use calcium the right way, so you don't get kidney stones. Avocados are a great source of magnesium, plus they have healthy fats and fiber. Pumpkin seeds are also great, they're full of magnesium. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens have lots of magnesium and other good stuff for your health. You can also take a magnesium supplement like magnesium glycinate, but only about 400 milligrams a day. Always ask your doctor before you start any new supplements. Let's talk about gut health. A healthy gut helps keep your kidneys healthy. Probiotics are good bacteria that help you digest food and stay healthy. They also help reduce swelling in your body, including your kidneys. Kefir and yogurt are great sources of probiotics. If you don't want dairy, sauerkraut and kimchi are good options too. 2 important probiotics, Lactobacillus casei and Bifidobacterium longum, can help your kidneys a lot. Look for these in your probiotic supplements or fermented foods. High-quality protein in moderation. Protein helps our body, but too much can hurt our kidneys. Pick good sources and don't overdo it. Fish like sardines and cod are great choices. They have lots of protein and good fats. Eggs are another good source of protein. They're easy to digest and have important nutrients. Remember, don't eat too much, especially for healthy kidneys. High-antioxidant foods. Antioxidants help protect your cells from getting hurt by bad molecules called free radicals. Free radicals can damage your DNA and cause diseases, including kidney problems. Berries are awesome for this. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries are full of antioxidants that help keep your kidneys healthy. And don't forget about beets. Beets have special antioxidants called betalains that help reduce swelling. They can help lower stress on your kidneys and keep them safe. Quercetin-Rich Foods, natural kidney protectors. Quercetin is a natural substance found in many fruits and vegetables. It helps keep your kidneys healthy. Quercetin reduces swelling, protects against damage, and can even stop kidney stones from forming. Onions, both white and red, are great sources of quercetin. Onions can be used in many dishes to make them tasty and good for your kidneys. You can add onions to soups, stews, stir-fries, or eat them raw in salads. Eating foods rich in quercetin is a tasty way to keep your kidneys healthy. Extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is a big part of the Mediterranean diet, which is really good for your health, including your kidneys. Extra virgin olive oil has healthy fats that can help lower bad cholesterol and make your body use insulin better. It also has antioxidants like vitamin E, which protect your cells from damage. When buying olive oil, always pick high-quality extra virgin olive oil. This means the oil was made without heat, keeping its nutrients and taste. Remember, the purer, the better. So there you have it. I hope you found this information helpful. These 7 foods can really help your kidneys stay healthy. Eat the right foods to keep your kidneys clean and strong. Do you eat any of these foods? Tell us in the comments. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe.